If you're a new Tesla owner transitioning from another car brand, here are some quick tips about Tesla in 2026. With premium connectivity, you can stream media directly from your phone to your Tesla screen. Simply tap the share button under a video, for example on YouTube, scroll through the options and select the Tesla icon. The video will instantly appear on your display. If your trunk opens too high and risks hitting the ceiling, you can set a custom height. Manually adjust the trunk to your desired position, then press and hold the close button until you hear a chime. From then on, it will open to that height. You can also record events around your car by honking. Just go to Controls, Safety, and then enable the On Honk button. Then your Tesla will save a clip whenever you press the horn. For extra security, you can lock your glove box with a pin. Navigate to Controls, Safety, enable glove box toggle, and set a 4-digit code. Each time you want access, you need to re-enter it. If you're traveling, you might find the warning chimes too loud and distracting. However, if you go to the safety section inside the Tesla menu and scroll down, you'll see a toggle called Jaw Mode, which turns down the volume of all alerts. To monitor your car remotely, enable Sentry Mode, exit the vehicle and open the Tesla app. Tap Live Camera to view real-time footage from your car's cameras. You can even interact with people near your vehicle using the app and even speak to them. You can also add a Tesla widget to your phone for quick access to key information. Press and hold on your home screen, select Add Widget, search for Tesla and choose your preferred layout. By default, the Tesla app shows 4 quick actions, but you can add a 5th one. Press and hold one of the existing icons, choose a new action from the list and drag it into place. New Teslas in the EU include Intelligent Speed Assist, which beeps when you exceed the speed limit. You can mute it manually each time by pressing the speed sign icon on the Tesla screen or automate it using our Commander dongle. While regenerative braking makes one-pedal driving effortless, it can reduce the use of mechanical brakes, which may lead to rust buildup over time. It's a good idea to occasionally switch to reduced regen under dynamics deceleration to keep your brakes in good condition. To find features faster, open Controls and use the search bar at the top to quickly locate any function. If you don't like to have your app menu cluttered, there is an easy solution. Go to the Tesla Controls and navigate to the Audio section. Scroll down and you'll see the apps listed, then simply untoggle the ones you don't want to use. When you're done charging, the quickest way to unlock the cable is to pull and hold the rear left door handle for a few seconds. The last 2 features allow you to have a little bit of fun in your car, and both are accessible in your car's boombox, which is located in the toy box. The first one uses the external speakers of the car to play music simply by tapping the Play Current Media button. The second one allows you to assign a custom locking sound to your vehicle. Simply download the WAV file to the Tesla Drive and rename it Lock Chime before inserting it back to the car. Then, in the boombox section inside the toy box, enable the lock sound toggle and select USB. Well, there you have it. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this one.